Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna plan in my classic happy planner. I'm back to the original planner. I do really like this planner. We're gonna be planning for the second week in November. I haven't even planned this one. I'm planning it pretty early because I didn't know what I wanted to plan. So I did what should I plan? Just picked a random number and it said Scrapcraftastic, and this week was like sugar and spice, and I have no idea what stickers I would use or anything. This one was fall leaves, and that one I just had a really fun idea, and so I'm gonna do this one. And then I will pick a new one. This one, which I also have already done, but I don't want to do this one until after I do this one, because what I'm doing for this spread is I went and picked some leaves out of my backyard, real leaves, and I'm going to stick them under here and color. I don't know if you guys ever did that growing up. That was a fun thing that we did. I think I need some sticker paper first so that I don't have to worry about purple and all that stuff. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to color underneath it, and I don't want any stickers that are on this side to interfere with me coloring the leaf. Try and cut this so I can save. I did that really good. So I can save this sticker paper for some other use. There is a little bit of some right here. Just gonna go ahead and cut off. Okay, so I think that's how we'll leave that. And then I'm gonna just color some leaves. I picked out some colored pencils in fall leaf colors, and I'm gonna use those. I also did a little test to see if the sticker would stick on the colored pencils. It does not stick on the crown, so if you were gonna do that, don't. I wonder if we can just lay these out. Smush it down and then start coloring. That is really hard to see. Blend it to some orange. Stick a leaf there. So, there's that. And I obviously need to do something with this side as well. I don't know if I just want to like do around the edges. That sounds good. Okay. Okay, so that's good enough. There's that, and then I need to add the month. I don't like that a lot, but we'll have to do. Yeah. And then got my fitness book and just get out the workout sticker. I think I'm gonna leave this as the workout section. And then I got out essential planning, so I decided to change it up because I have been using Planner Basics a lot lately, so I decided I would just change it up and use this one. So I might come back to these checklists. I wonder if I could cut out those words. I do need like a meal plan, and the dinner would be a little cute idea. We can use these chores. And then maybe one of these checklists. I think we just need to stick with black because I have a lot of colors going on here. And I do think I want to try and cut this sticker So I might just be like wasting the sticker. I don't know, we'll see. When you put it like on here, what does it look like? Okay. I kind of like that. And then get another checklist for that section. It's just kind of big, but I kind of wonder if we do this one on the red, how bad that would be. I don't mind it, but I don't want it there really. Would it still look okay if we do it here? And that's just going to be for like activities with my children. And then I just need the like habit tracker thing. Sorry, I'm trying to think. I have these stamps. I was trying to think if I could make this work. I don't think so. I think we're just gonna have to write it again. I was trying to, you know, like find a way to make it look cute, but no. Because I'm still gonna need some holes. So. Oh, man. Let's find something to cover that up with. Okay, so I just realized I wrote Bible study and then on all those days, so like I won't have that box to check it off on. Yeah. Okay. And I think that is all I need to do really, because this is plenty busy. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And the little notification bell to get notified when I put up new videos. And that's all I have for you guys. Oh, I have to punch that.